Hi guys, in this video we are going to review All India Rank 1 Advanced Accounts paper in May 2024 CA Inter. So students secured 92 out of 100, which is extraordinary. MCQ they got 30 out of 30, conceptually very strong. In the paper presentation they got around 59, that is 60 out of 70. That means how sir it is 92, it's only 90. For Advanced Accounting May 24, ICAI has clarified giving grace marks about 3 to 4 marks for one question. So MCQ may not be 30, maybe a little less, but 92 is what student got, and for us we are only focusing on this 60 out of 70. This is the paper where student got 60 out of 70. I am going to keep this video quick because unlike law where we have spent a lot of time in analyzing each answer, here I am going to focus on key things the student has done for each answer. The student has straight away started off with 3A. That means they are choosing a question they know well. This is a 7-mark question from AS7 construction contracts. Look at how neatly the student has done. The first answer right from the time they have started till the sum is completed, student got 7 out of 7. Is there any one strike? There is no strike from the student. What are the key things you have to notice? Very important, I have seen many students missing this. Rupees are in crores. Students miss that, half mark will go. Next, this is column A, this is column B, therefore column C is A minus B. Many students don't write that, they will assume that the examiner will understand that. Next, look at this. Percentage you have rounded off to nearest 2 digit. Sometimes in the class itself you will fight. Sir, I got 26.35, he got 26.42, you will fight. So student was very smart and wrote approx. Examiner, you fight if you want. This is what I got, approx based on the calci here and there. Look at this workings. Even such a small working that 307 is 310 minus 3, he is showing in computation. Again rupees in crores. Same thing is repeating here, but different table, so he wrote it again. Okay, so he got 7 out of 7. Let's go to next question. This question 3B, cash flow statement. The student got 13.5 out of 14 marks. Sir, half mark, leave it. Okay, look at the presentation. So neatly done. Answer to question 3B. Cash flow from operating activities of RM Limited. Many people forget to write the company name which is in question. Particulars amount rupees. This is full rupees, so it's there. Here and all they didn't write 1, 2, 3. They didn't write, we will suggest you write that, but instead what student has done, you are adding or you are lessing. That is clearly indicated. That is enough, no. From this I am adding this, and cash flow we always know everything will be in internal column except the final total. Same way student has done it over here. And then if you see where they have lost marks, actually the only place where they have lost marks in cash flow is some workings, they have done some mistake. Otherwise, because of this one item is wrong, but total everything thankfully tallied, so they got 13.5. Okay, working note is given below itself, and on top they have given reference for working note. I am sure all of you give reference for working notes. Let's go to next question. This is internal reconstruction. Student got 14 out of 14, full 14. Look at this. Small things that matter. In the books of Z Limited, journal entries, very small things. They have written the date. Many students forget the date. They have written narration with proper breakup in narration. This debit is properly written. And then this LF column is opened. It doesn't matter that much because LF column is not used today. And if you look at the answer, even though student has a few strikes, it is so neat. I don't see it like this and all, it's not striked, it's very neatly striked. I am only talking on presentation here guys. Mathematical and numerical accuracy lies on your concept. Then student has come, they have asked for capital reduction, ledger also is opened, debit and credit, neatly posted in both the places. Amount is there, you can see, can you see tick 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 tick, because same thing is there in the key. And then one mistake, grace marks was given only for this in internal reconstruction because the debenture concept was not there, that adjustment was not there, and then student got 14 out of 14. Let's take some other question. Okay, let's take Consolidation. Okay, look at consolidation question 5. Student again got almost 11 or 12 out of 14. Over here you can see there are quite a few strikes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see 8 strikes in one page. Then you go down, they have done the working notes. After working notes only he has prepared the balance sheet. Again some strikes have come. Answer is correct. In this consolidation answer is correct, but you can see that student got only 10.5 out of 14. Why sir they didn't get full marks sir? Because even though everything is correct, the consolidated balance sheet is tallying, they have written minority interest, notes are there, everything is there. It's because of two things. One is in the first page there are a lot of strikings over here, and then subsequently if you see they have written working notes first followed by balance sheet and then notes. Ideally balance sheet and notes should come first followed by working notes. That could be a reason for half mark and 1 mark. Then if you look at accounting standard questions, it's very simple and straightforward over here. For all the AS questions, if you see the AS questions, simple computation, they have just done the computation straight away, 1 or 2 strikes doesn't matter. Come down, all the answers are tallying, final answer you got 4 out of 4. That's it. Let me just randomly take some other question. This is dividend question, so it's from law. Look at this. Foreign branch, it was a 6 mark question if I remember right. How much did the student get? 4 out of 6. Was this 4 or 6 mark? I think it's 6 marks because that's why there's one small error here. Look at the table of conversion, trial balance. First student wrote whatever is there in question, then student wrote exchange rate, then student has multiplied over here, okay, and after that multiplication which exchange rate is taken they are giving the actual rate here, and in working note they are giving some, wherever the student has given working note reference for inventory alone he has referred over here. Why each rate is taken? Clearly it is mentioned which rate I am taking. Converted balance sheet if you see, total is tallying, difference, exchange difference has come here, almost made a mistake, changed it again over here. That's it, you get 4 out of 4 or 4 out of 6. Look at this, they have not even drawn the lines. In fact, if you look at something which I have noticed only now, in the initial question the student has drawn lines. Look at this, he has drawn lines for cash flow, and all this is not scale guys. With pen he has drawn it. He has drawn, look at this, this is definitely not scale. With pen he drew it like this. But as time kept going, presentation he focused a lot in the starting. Look at this, as time kept going, for subsequent questions, notes to accounts also he did not have time to draw the lines. As we keep going towards the end, see no lines are drawn over here. Come down, if you take some other question, I am not able to see any lines which is drawn over here. Look at this, okay, here one line has come, but the frequency, look at this, similar question in the starting he drew lines, here lines is not there. That means lines are not that important. Initially he was able to draw it because it helped in presentation. Now it doesn't matter that much, answer is correct. Even without lines, it's very neatly put over here. Look at this, borrowing cost, specific loan, others entry, very neatly done. There is no specific format and all over here. Answer is matching. So in accounts we can say that accuracy is more important, then comes your simple basic presentation, and of course with this you will go to your speed. Okay, so this is what I keep focusing on. In accounts we focus on 3 things guys. SPA, S is for speed, P is for presentation, and A is for accuracy, but you will learn in reverse, first accuracy, then presentation, and then you focus on speed. So that's about it, this answer, fairly simple, neatly done. You look at this, towards the end a lot of mistakes he is getting. That means the student basically what he did not know he wrote in the ending, what he knows he did in the first, and he was able to get 92 out of 100. For us 80-90 we get itself, I know you will be satisfied. So focus on presentation guys, because everybody is doing well in MCQ. This is going to be a game changer. If you want more of these videos on presentation of other students who have done well, let me know in the comments. We will do more for advanced accounts. Let me know exactly what type of questions also you want me to cover. Thank you.